Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into something pretty ambitious, ArchwareEdu.
Ambitious is right.
This school management system claims it can be a complete solution, like a one-stop shop. Everything a school could possibly need all in one place.
Mm,
But the big question is, can one system really handle everything?
that's what we're here to find out.
That's what we're going to find out. So let's start with the heart of this whole system, the admin module.
Right, the core, the control center, really.
So everything flows from there.
Exactly. Think about it. A principal, they need to manage user permissions, right? Teachers, staff, students, they all need different levels of access.
Oh, totally. Makes sense.
Well, the admin module lets them customize all of that, so only the right people can access sensitive information.
Keeping things safe and sound.
Exactly. That centralized control, it's not just about efficiency, it's about security too. It's how a bank protects financial data.
Right. Got to keep that student data under lock and key. But schools are more than just admin work, right? What about the actual students and teachers using this thing?
Absolutely. And ArchwareEdu gets that. They've got dedicated modules for both students and teachers.
Separate spaces, so to speak.
Yeah. So imagine a student wants to see their grades, or a parent wants to check attendance records. It's all right there, easy to access.
Oh, that's handy.
And for teachers, all that time spent on grading and paperwork.
Ugh, don't remind me, I still have nightmares.
The teacher module aims to simplify all of that, creating assignments, managing activities, tracking grades, even personalized feedback directly to students.
Wow, so not just saving time, but potentially improving how kids learn, too.
That's the idea.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting. This is where ArchwareEdu goes beyond the classroom.
Oh yeah, they've got modules for just about everything.
We're talking fees, accounting, HR, even the library.
Even the library. They really are trying to create a system where a school can manage its finances, staff records, inventory, even keep track of which books are checked out, all in the same place.
Oh, within ArchwareEdu. It's a lot to wrap your head around. And you mentioned transportation earlier. That's in there, too.
Yep, they have a module for that. For boarding schools, there's even a dormitory management module. And for, analyzing data, they've got a dedicated reports module.
So a principal could, see which classes are struggling with a certain subject or something.
Exactly. Or imagine parents being able to track their kids' school bus in real time.
Okay, starting to feel a little sci-fi here. But with all these bells and whistles, is it too good to be true? Is ArchwareEdu truly revolutionary, or is it just another tech trend with a fancy name?
It's ambitious, that's for sure. I mean, the potential is huge. Implementation has to be smooth, staff need proper training, and of course it needs to adapt to different schools and the way education is constantly changing.
So even with all these amazing features, the success of ArchwareEdu comes down to how well it's actually used in the real world.
Schools where communication between teachers, parents, and students is seamless. Data that helps personalize learning for every student. Administrative burdens minimized so educators can focus on, educating. That's the future ArchwareEdu is aiming for.
And that's a future worth thinking about for sure. So we've covered a lot here. We talked about the central control hub, the admin module, and all the different modules for managing just about every part of the school, from academics to transportation.
Yeah, it's pretty comprehensive.
It really is.
Yeah.
But the big takeaway here is this. ArchwareEdu is a bold vision for how schools could operate. They want to streamline everything, make things more efficient, and ultimately improve the education experience for everyone. For our listeners out there, if you're involved in education in any way, I really encourage you to check out ArchwareEdu and think about what this kind of tech could mean for your school or community.
It's a conversation worth having.
It is. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, everyone.
See you next time.